Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn some useful keyboard shortcut keys. So, let's begin. If you want to open an application from Taskbar, right from the keyboard, then press Windows key with the number on which your application is placed on the taskbar. For example, I want to open Google Chrome in my PC, so I will press Windows key with 2 and my application will be opened. And if you want to do right click of the mouse, you can press Shift plus F10 key. Second, if you want to come to the desktop from any application, just press Windows key with D key. Your desktop will be displayed. If you want to open on-screen keyboard, simply press Windows key plus U, and then press Alt key with K. It will open on-screen keyboard. Now if you want to close an active window or application in your PC, just press the Alt key with the F4 key. It will close the active application in your PC. Fourth, if you want to switch between the active applications or windows in your PC, just press Alt key with Tab key. Now you can switch between the applications right from the keyboard. Moving to the next. Suppose if you were typing something in MS Word and want to delete a long sentence, you will press the backspace key, but it will only delete one alphabet at once, which will take time. Instead, you can press Control key with backspace key. It will delete a complete word rather than an alphabet. Moreover, if you want to recover the word deleted by the backspace key, just press Alt key with the backspace key. It will recover that word. Sixth, if you want to open File Explorer in PC right from the keyboard, just press Windows key with E. It will open the File Explorer. Next, if you want to lock the PC, just press Windows key with the L key. It will lock your PC. If you want to quickly open any application in your PC, you can use Run command, and to open it, you can press Windows key with A key, and also, here you can type WinWord. To easily open MS Word in your PC, here are some of the basic shortcut keys that are Ctrl plus A key to select all the text, Ctrl plus C to copy the selected text, Ctrl plus V to paste the copied text, and F7 key to open spelling and grammar check in MS Word. Moving to the ninth, here I will tell you some shortcut keys for Google Chrome. Once you open the Chrome browser, press Ctrl plus E to directly navigate to the search bar and start typing. To open a new tab, you can press Ctrl plus T. It will open up a new tab. On the other hand, if you want to close an open tab, just press Ctrl plus W. It will close the open tab. Moreover, if you have closed an active tab by mistake, then you can simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. It will open the recently closed tab. Along with this, if you want to open a new incognito window right from the keyboard, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. It will open a new incognito window. Next, to navigate to Downloads window, you can press Ctrl plus J, and to open the History tab, you can press Ctrl plus H. It will open your History tab. Next, if you want to find something in a web page, then you can simply press Ctrl plus F. It will open up Find, and here you can enter your keyword, and the same word in page will be highlighted. Moving to the next, if we want to jump back to previous page of an website, then we can press Alt plus left arrow key. It will take us to previous page of the website right from the keyboard. And if we want to move to next page, we can use Alt plus right arrow key. It will load the next page. In order to reload the page, we can simply press F5 key. It will reload the page. Let's shut down the PC with keyboard only. To do so, we can press Alt plus F4 key from the desktop and press Enter. It will shut down the PC. Thanks for watching.